Guys, I guess this is the season of the tablets. And yeah, I received a tablet together with a nice keyboard cover from our friends from Vastking. And yeah, I believe that they have been doing a great job making all those nice smartwatches. And this time around, they have this one, the Kingpad M10. So are you excited? Let's open. Hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So right now, we'll be opening this pad from Vastking, which is the Kingpad M10. And let's just quickly run down some specs from here. It is Android 11.0, of course, octa-core processor, 2K display, 10.36-inch of IPS LCD, 4 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage, which is really massive. 4G LTE network, 13 MP rear camera and 8 MP front camera, together with support for Wi-Fi 2.4 and Wi-Fi 5. So yeah, it's still not Wi-Fi 6 ready, but it's still good. So we have this docking case slash keyboard case. And yeah, let's start on with this one, the accessories. So upon opening, you can see it's covered with plastics. And we still need to peel this one off. So I can see the finish is nice. Yeah, it's smooth. Okay, so expect something good performance from this one. And I love the texture from this one. It's not rough, it's smooth. So you can see that the keyboard layout is here. It even has a mouse trackpad, which makes it like a laptop. So we have the docking pins over here, and of course your camera hole over here. So right now, let's take out the pad to try it out and see how good it is. So open the box and you can see that it's still covered. So we'll take out the Vastking M10 over here. And I can see that for a roughly 11-inch tab, it's pretty light as compared to other brands which are quite heavy. This one is pretty light. I can say that probably this one's around 300 grams. Other things that's inside the box is the user manual, charging cable, of course your 10 watts charger. Turning it on, looks like this. Okay, so yeah, I can adjust the degree. Okay, so yeah, what I like about this pad is that you're very easy to use. Now, I've been using this for quite a week already here on my channel and been testing it out. Yeah, actually, it's a tablet frenzy month. Was able to try several tablets, but none like this one, having the mouse, the trackpad, which is really something that I dig in. Yeah, I just simply need to double click it to go into my Google Play. Just like using my Windows. Okay, so it's really, the transition is really nice, easier as compared to other tabs. Yeah, if you're not really into tablet but you're using some Windows tablet, it's a Windows laptop, this is quite a bit easier to adjust. Okay, so right now let's just run through some quick specs at the back of the box. So it's powered by Android 11. It has octa-core CPU, then 2K display. Dig this one, 2K display. 10.36 IPS touchscreen, 4 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage. And what I like is it has 4G LTE network ready. It has a 8 MP front camera, then a 13 MP rear camera. Then it supports Wi-Fi 5. Now, like I said, inside the box we have this stuff which I just showed it a while ago, and we're not really into knowing all those specs. What we're into right now is to know how good this tablet can perform. Now, okay, so we'll be checking some of the benchmarks, like this one, the Antutu benchmark. So we have roughly 200,000 points. Okay, so not really that high, but overall, I can say that this is not a bad score. Okay, so overall, we're more into performance, not into gaming of this tablet. Now, we're gonna check some other benchmarks here. So let's try to see I22 benchmark. So the I22 benchmark was able to give it a 47,000 points, which is, well, not really that good, neither that bad. So checking some other benchmark like 3D Mark. Okay, the Kingpad M10 was only able to receive a 528 points for Wild Dive, meaning this one is not really meant for gaming, neither is it meant for heavy gaming. Probably some light games would be enough. Now, checking its battery charging capacity for its 6,000 milliampere hours of battery, plugging in its 10 watts battery charger, draining down to 16%. Then charging back up to 100 using the default cable, default charger. Well, I was able to finish in just roughly 2 hours and a half. Well, not really that slow for that 6,000 milliampere hours of battery. Checking its battery endurance, I was able to squeeze out 6 hours and 26 minutes, roughly 6 hours and a half for this pad after a day of usage. And of course, this is the screen on time given by this PC Mark battery stress test. So putting to 50% brightness, then letting it run for the whole night was able to give me this result. Now, on a daily average usage, well, for me, it could last me through a day for normal usage, like doing some Word document, Excel, typing some emails, or watching some quick videos. It's good to last me for a whole day. But if you're playing some games, maybe might drain a little bit faster than usual. That's, of course, based on my experience. Now, typing using this keyboard is very smooth. I can see that it's quiet. Was able to enjoy typing this one. Now, watching some videos here, putting into, well, relatively 2K display. Well, I can say that it's pretty fair to say that the screen really looks vivid, really looks nice. And yeah, I can say that overall, this screen is pretty much enjoyable. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is under, let me see, 1080p. Yes, this is under running under 1080p. I can say that based on my eyes, it's really nice. And yeah, the colors are sharp. And of course, it's 10.36 inch of IPS LCD really does stand out here. Watching videos, watching Netflix, and watching some other your favorite Korean novellas, your favorite TV shows. It's really nice watching on this pad for total entertainment package. But of course, the sound isn't really that loud. I could highly suggest that you probably would love to plug in your headphones to enjoy it better. So one of the more important function that I really love on this one is that it has dual SIM function over here. On the second SIM slot, it can be a micro SD expansion up to 2 terabyte, which is of course very, very enticing to those who want added storage and of course data on the go. What can I say about this one, the Vastking Kingpad M10? I was able to enjoy this one typing, watching videos, and of course carrying it around for quite a week already, and playing, probably using it for Zoom meeting is also nice. And of course, probably one of the downside on this one is that the music isn't really that loud. Probably I would want it a little bit louder, but I was able to connect my headphones to this one, so it's pretty much okay. And one of the best thing that I love about this one is that it has dual SIM function, and the keypad is very, very nice and very, very quiet. I was able to enjoy typing on this one with ease. And of course, the bonus is of course the trackpad.
I already played with the Vastking M10, and I can really highly recommend this tablet to those who want to go for online schooling, online conferencing, and not really too much on the gaming side, since the processor is not really that meant for those high graphics games. But nevertheless, if you want to play some very basic games, this one can really handle. And of course, for those people who love to type, you had a very nice and ergonomic keyboard, which comes together with this one, and definitely it's a plus if you buy them both together. So guys, if you want to know where you can buy this one, the Vastking Kingpad M10, I'll drop it on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me that like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So and I hope to see you soon. And I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?